Hello children, welcome back to the class, and today we are going to start a revision part 1. So today we are starting a grammar revision part 1. So this revision for first semester. Okay, so let's start a revision, that is arrange the fruits name in alphabetical order. So first one is what you have to do, arrange the fruits names in alphabetical order. So fruits names are mango, papaya, apple, grapes, banana, orange. Okay, so these fruits name you have to arrange in a alphabetical order. In which order you have to arrange, children? Alphabetical order. Okay, so let's arrange these fruits name in alphabetical order. So the first one which comes, children? Apple, because A is the first letter in alphabetical order. So we have to select this one. So let's write here apple. The next one, is it B is there? Yes, it is here. The next one is banana. The next one, which one? Grapes. Okay, Grapes, grapes. The next is, which comes after that? Mango, Mango, mango. The next one is orange, Orange, orange. And the remaining is, last one is papaya, Papaya, papaya. So you have to arrange the given names, fruits names or any names, you have to arrange it in a proper way in a alphabetical order. So here we have arranged the fruits name in alphabetical order. Let's go for the next question. The second question is, arrange the animals names in alphabetical order. Here we have to arrange these animals name in alphabetical order. Okay, the first one is pig, sheep, lion, zebra, camel, dog. So which is the first one comes, children, here? Yes, of course, C. That is camel, Camel, camel. The next one is D, dog, Dog, dog. And the next one, lion. Okay, and the next one comes pig, Pig, pig. And the last one, the next one is sheep. The last one is zebra. Okay, SHEEP, sheep. And this one is zebra. Z is the last one. So zebra. So here we have arranged the animals names in a alphabetical order. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is, complete the words given below using vowels. So we have learned in a previous class about the vowels. Yes or no, children? So which are the vowels, children? Yes, A, E, I, O, U. So these are vowels. Okay, so you have to use the vowels and you have to complete this given words. So it has to give a right meaning. Okay, let's start. The first one, C dash P. So you have to use the only these vowel sounds. Okay, so C A P, cap. The next one is N E T, net. The next one, P E N, pen. L E G, leg. The next one, R A T, rat. H A T, hat. The next one, C O C K, cock. The next is C dash N, C-A-N, can. The next C dash T, C-A-T, cat. The next is L dash G, L-O-G, log. So here you can observe L-O-G, log also write, L-E-G, leg also write. You can write any one of this. Okay. So no problem. But it has to give a right meaning. That is important. Okay children. Okay, let's move to the 11th one. That is P dash G, P-I-G, pig. Next, B-E-D, bed, or B-U-D, bud. Both also right answer. Okay. Next one, B-U-double-L, bull. The next one is B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Right. Next, T-A-P, tap. F-I-S-H, fish. N-E-S-T, nest. The next one, B-double-L, B-A-L-L, ball. The next is F-A-N, fan. The last one, H-O-U-S-E, house. So here we have filled these words by using ovals. Okay. So this is very important. So you have to use the ovals and you have to complete the given words. Now let's move to the next part. The next one, rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word. So the first one is T-G-A-O. When we arrange it properly, we get G-O-A-T, goat. The next one is B-A-double-L, ball. The next one, D-O-double-L, doll. The next, T-A-B-L-E, table. B-I-R-D, bird. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. C-R-O-W, crow. T-R-E-E, tree. B-O-A-T, boat. F-I-S-H, fish. C-L-O-C-K, clock. K-I-T-E, kite. So here I have read only answer, that is when we have arranged it properly we get a right meaning word. Okay. So this all we have finished in a previous class also. So not only this children, I may give a different also, like a uncle, father, or snake, or sister, feet. So you have to be very careful that while arranging you have to arrange it properly and you will get the right meaning word. Okay. Yes. Just write down this all in your book one time neatly and practice for first semester exam. Let's move to the next one. The next one is write a new word with the same joint sound. Okay. Broom, brush. You can see the underlined word here. BR is a joint word and you will get a new word. When we join the same word letter, then we will get a new word. Okay. So here you can observe B-R-O-O-M, broom. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Okay. The next one, child, chair. Glass, glue. Plate, play. Stick, stamp. Thin, thick. Fly, flag. Grass, green. Tray, truck. Frog, frock. Okay, so you can observe the same letter which we have joined. Okay, so when we take a same letter, so that we will get a new word with the new sound. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question is complete the words using double letters. So that is double O, double L, double E. Okay, so here I wrote the answer also. Just go through this. Okay, the first one is MOON, moon. Next, CALL, call. BEE, bee. TOOTH, tooth. SEEC, FALL, fall. FREEZE, freeze. WOOD, wood. BOOK, book. SLEEP, sleep. Okay, children, got it? Yes, so here we have completed the words using double letters. So dear children, here we have completed the revision part 1, that is grammar. Okay, so you need to write this all in your classwork book neatly one time. So you have to write the heading semester 1 grammar revision part 1. Okay, so practice this well and write the exam neatly. The handwriting should be very neat. Okay, so we will see in the next class with the new topic. Otherwise, I'll take the revision part 2. Okay, let's continue in the next class. See you in the next class, children. Take care and bye bye.